Hi everyone, thank you for joining in for this live session. Yes,
सबका नमस्कार.
I am coming live after very long, of course, we together. And we'll be soon connecting with.
Oh yeah, सबको ईद मुबारक.
Oh, yes,
और hello, hi. Thank you.
I'm
Thank
just waiting
you.
for IWM Buzz to connect. Alrighties. Let's see how to send a connection. I'm very bad at it. Hi, Charlie. Lots of love, sweetheart. You really have been like an inspiration, huh? I really love the way you continuously inspire people through your writing, through your creative instincts. That really means a lot. You're doing a great job. And I love the power that you have and that you constantly keep exhibiting. More power to you. Hi, Ghazi.
Gazi हो या.
Yeah.
Hi गजाला. ईद मुबारक.
आज बुरी ईद है. आज हुसैन और
हाँ.
टीना की ईद
अच्छा
है.
मतलब ठीक है. ईद सबकी है.
Okay, I think like always, I am missing out how the request happened. Sorry guys, huh? I'm bad at all of this. Technology handicap, as you can see. तो मुझे थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा समझने में कि ये लाइव कनेक्ट कैसे होता है. आई मिस यू टू गाजी. ज्योति का दिल एक अच्छा नैना. पढ़ नहीं रही है तू? सीरियसली?
पढ़ाई करने वाले बच्चे पढ़ाई करो. बंद करो अपना इंस्टाग्राम. पप्पू कौन है भाई?
Okay. Yeah, I got them. How did I get them? Rajat. Okay.
पढ़ाई करने वाले बच्चे सब इंस्टाग्राम पे. वेरी गुड.
Hey, I saw.
पढ़ाई कर लो. टिकटॉक बैन होने वाला. तुम ये भी बैन करवा दोगे इंस्टाग्राम.
Okay, I saw them and I missed it. Oh yes. Correct. Thank you. Finally, I think I've been able to add. Something happened on the road, I believe.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. I'm sorry, हाँ, I'm a technology handicap. मेरे को ढूंढने में
No
थोड़ा
problem
time
at all. I was trying to connect from my end and I had gone from live from IWM Buzz account and I think there was some network issue which I probably thought there was some network issue.
Yes,
So,
I have a connectivity issue.
so I told them, I told the
Yeah.
viewers that, we'll connect again. And hi, Abhinav.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, absolutely clear. Loud and clear.
Perfect. So first of all, thank you so much for joining us here on IWM Buzz. It's a pleasure and it's an honor for me to host you guys over here. And thank you so much for joining me. And the first of all, जो कि मैं आपसे जरूर पूछना चाहूँगा. See, lockdown has been there for a long time. I don't want to know कि quarantine में आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो. But tell me this one thing that I think 60 days, more than 60 days it has been that the lockdown has been there. इतना टाइम एक साथ आप लोगों को लास्ट कब मिला था? Because the profession that you guys are, I mean, it's very difficult for actors to take out time for themselves, let alone their partners. So at a stretch like this for 60 days, constantly with with each other. So when was the last time? Can you actually remember the last time you actually got so much of time for each other?
Never. 4 years she was shooting every day. She used to just come home and and next day rush in the morning. So उसकी कसर पूरी हो गई है अब 60 दिन में.
And a lot of people were taking that as a blessing in disguise, especially the actors, because the grueling schedule that you all have. I mean, one day you're reaching the sets at 9 a.m., then again going late, and again waking up early in the morning. It was very difficult, and across every day, right? There was never really a holiday for you guys. So initially, तो I'm pretty sure कि सबको लगता था कि यार अच्छा है, चलो blessing in disguise, थोड़ा दिन तो आराम मिल गया. लेकिन अभी 60 days तो किसी ने भी expect नहीं किया था. So how has the reaction changed over the time, both for you guys?
Okay, so yes, the unpredictability of lockdown, or to say, what humanity is facing right now, has just, pushed us to break into our potentials and, limitlessness. So, pehle aisa laga, we will do it. There was a lot of enthusiasm, as you said, वो जो वक्त नहीं मिला था अपने आप को rejuvenate करने का, सोने का, खाने का, पीने का, couples को एक साथ रहने का. I think all of that was in the initial period of time. Then slowly, when you had nothing else to do, and a lot of things just kept on stagnating. There came a loop where everything just went down. And then you fell into this, uncertain times. So uncertainty, and when there is unfamiliarity, it brings in a lot of, stress. It brings, because we've never faced that. We were never prepared for this.
Exactly. You're a part of history right now.
Yeah. And we feel that, when times like such are thrown on us, I think the real what is within us, it comes out. Like the analogy, अगर आप orange को निचोड़ोगे तो orange juice आएगा, lemon juice नहीं आएगा.
Correct.
तो ये circumstances में I think each one of us has realized कि what is within us. And for that, like a self-reflection or a reflection in your relationship or in your family or everything, we have truly gotten to know that what lies or what was within us or the people that we are living with. And then came a period when अब आपको समझ में आ रहा है how to deal with it, how to come out of it, how to first heal yourself, and then realize that what things are going around. So for me, it has become more of a beautiful journey, wherein making and breaking is happening at the same time, and it is the most vulnerable time for everything. And I hope ये तो सभी वो कहते हैं ना, हर कोई इंसान आज इस दुनिया में ये चीज फेस कर रहा है, और all of us, I think we will come out so strong. We'll have clarity on so many things, because आज से पहले शायद हमें इतना वक्त अपने आप के साथ कभी नहीं मिला.
Correct. I think it's absolutely spot on, and I think it summarizes the whole thing. And I mean, it's we are a part of history right now, and we had no idea. Like एक कहावत है कि जब तक and a human being is not pushed till the very extent where he has no idea कितना उसका सहन शक्ति है, कितना he can actually bear. Coming to you, Abhinav, you're this fitness freak. You're this person who loves to work out. Hit the gym, hit the dumbbells, and everything. Abhi, gym and everything is closed. I think it's closed for. I think even before the lockdown, gyms were closed, right? Correct. So more than 2 months without that regular setup of workout. But is it the same for you as well, या फिर आप अपना workout अपने हिसाब से अब चालू करके रखो? Has there been any difference in your workout pattern?
Absolutely yes. I haven't worked out a single day.
Wow, that's a revelation.
Not a single day. Yeah, because I'm not a guy who can work out in a home. I need to, run. I need to go out. I need to be out there to work out. So the motivation of working in a small apartment and doing that yoga and arranging that mat, it somehow didn't come. But I utilized that time to do some, mental workout. And instead of lifting, जो कब से करता ही आ रहा हूँ, मेरे को 18-20 साल हो गए workout करते हुए. So I thought maybe it's an opportunity given to me that stop working out. You've been doing it your entire life. Give your body a break and start, maybe exercising your mind or your brain. And which I did, and I've started writing.
Okay. That's a lot of exercise for the brain, I'm pretty sure, because when you're writing, it involves a lot of thinking.
और मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं सोचा था कि मैं कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठ के इतना लंबा काम कर सकता हूँ. मैं जब कॉलेज में था, जब जब इंजीनियरिंग की पढ़ाई करते हैं हम, तो लोग 16-16 घंटे पढ़ते हैं इंजीनियरिंग की पढ़ाई के लिए। जिन्होंने सीईटी किया है या एमबीए किया, उनको पता है कि एंट्रेंस एग्जाम क्या होता है। मैं करता था 3 घंटे पढ़ाई, 2.5 घंटा, और जिम और साइकिलिंग करता था मैं 4 घंटा। तो तब मैंने ये कभी आजमा के देखा नहीं कि यार ऐसे 8 घंटे कोई कैसे बैठ सकता है एक जगह पे और पढ़ाई कर सकता है और फोकस कर सकता है। सो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था, जो मैंने अब पूरा कर लिया है। So I
For some people, it's beyond even their imagination. ऐसे घंटों, hours after hours. I personally can't imagine doing that at all. So I can understand where you're coming from.
Engineering, I couldn't pick up a job simply because मुझे 12 घंटे 16 घंटे नहीं बैठना था कंप्यूटर के सामने। I did work one day as an engineer and I said this is not my cup of tea. मुझसे नहीं बैठा जाएगा कंप्यूटर के सामने, बाहर भागने वाला कोई काम है वो दे दो। So finally I have overcome that, that shortfall.
Well, thank God you had taken that call after one day. Imagine had you stretched that, where would you have been? अगर आप वो call नहीं लेते. So I think it was a very important decision at that point of time. You got to listen to your heart and you got to follow what your heart says. So I think that's a very good thing to learn from over there. But tell me something. It's very interesting, and I get very curious when I'm talking with couples, especially because there's this fascinating thing about couples. There's a certain sense of mystery about them, with them. मुझे जो एक चीज जानना है about you people is the fact that they say कि no matter how much you stay with someone or how much you have been with someone, it is absolutely impossible to know a human being entirely. Like 100% आप एक इंसान को कभी भी नहीं जान सकते हो. So, and you mentioned to me, right? Both of you mentioned to me that in this entire process of 60 days, I mean, you have never been like together for so long. I mean, you said that. So in this entire process of 60 days, did you guys learn anything new about each other which you had no idea about पहले?
ये बताएंगे पहले।
आप सब उन्हीं को धकेल रहे हो सब आंसर्स, कुछ आप पहले स्टार्ट करके बता दीजिए।
चलो, nonetheless, I love being in the front line.
Ladies first बोलते हैं ना, तो I'm following that प्रथा of.
Okay, lovely.
Yes, you said it rightly that you cannot fathom a human being in one go. It is a lifelong process.
Yeah.
And especially in such times, your true potential comes out. Who you
Correct.
are truly, it is just forced to come out, because right now you can't mask anything. Right now you can't even run out from the
इसका मतलब मैं हमेशा राइटर बन सकता था, बना नहीं है।
So ऐसे टाइम में जो आप हो, मतलब inherently वो चीजें बाहर आती है, and like with especially people in our industry or maybe in Mumbai itself, क्योंकि यहाँ तो भाग दौड़ भरी जिंदगी है। हम यहाँ सब अपने करियर्स बनाने आए हैं, हम अपने लाइफ सेटल करने आए। काम इतना रहा है कि even for couples to really know and understand कि एक दूसरे का quality, characteristics, flaws क्या है, eventually आपको ऐसे वक्त में समझ आता है। And it's very fascinating that how we all have layers, how all we have
multiple layers. When you talk about layers,
unimaginable amount of layers, and how we just reveal them, and that revelation is sometimes surprising, sometimes you're just taken aback, sometimes it is you just look at the person in awe, wow, even that can be possible, or even this is what the other person has in him. So it is very interesting, and मेरे लिए
so what is that one thing that particularly made you feel wow? I mean, Abhinav, wow, ऐसा कुछ हुआ इस entire 60 days के phase में?
I mean, बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें हुई हैं जहाँ पर ऐसा है।
Please point out the instances for us.
Of course,
one or two instances you would like to point out, which we would also love to know.
Okay, 2 instances.
Yeah.
Well, जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था, तो मैं और मेरा भाई स्कूल जाते थे। मेरे मदर हैं जो उस टाइम पे स्कूल टीचर होते थे, हिंदी के स्कूल टीचर, हिंदी सब्जेक्ट के, एंड माय फादर वाज अ साइंटिस्ट, तो डैड उस वक्त जॉब में थे। तो हम सुबह उठते थे, हमारी माँ हमारे लिए खाना बनाती थी, टिफिन पैक करती थी, एंड आई यूज्ड टू गो विद माय मदर टू स्कूल। उनके स्कूटर के पीछे बैठ के जाता था, मेरे को स्कूल लेके जाती थी। मेरा भाई साइकिल चला के जाता था स्कूल, उस टाइम सबके पास वो साइकिल होते थे। एंड फिर दोपहर को हम वापस आते थे, अगेन शी यूज्ड टू कुक, और रात को अगेन शी यूज्ड टू कुक एंड रिपीट इट ओवर एंड ओवर। मतलब हर रोज एक ही काम करना और घर को साफ रखना और खाना बनाना। उसकी रियलाइजेशन अब जाके होती है कि जो हमारी माएँ थी वो कितना काम करती थी और जॉब भी करती थी साथ में, है ना। माय मॉम वाज वर्किंग
selfless and unconditional job.
बिल्कुल। सो वो अब पता चलता है जब खुद बर्तन धोने पड़ते हैं, कुछ बनाना पड़े, तो या तो खाना बना लो या सफाई रख लो। मेरे लिए तो वही है, या मैं सफाई रख सकता हूँ, मैं खाना बना सकता हूँ, दोनों काम दे दो, नहीं यार मुझसे नहीं होता। बट शी हैज बीन हैंडलिंग बोथ सो वेल, सो it's that's a really,
I think it's a very well balanced it's a very well balanced procedure that's been followed at your home, I believe, because you know, you're dividing the responsibilities, and I think that's the key. You divide your life with your partner, so why not responsibilities, right?
Absolutely.
But it's very important.
Honestly, but my contribution is not more than 10% to the entire thing.
By your words, 90% stuff being done by her, and you're just like that additional support, जो कि मैं हूँ, अच्छा मैं हूँ, if there's anything needed मैं हूँ, चलो आप ही main हो, मैं ऐसा kind of ही है, मुझे समझ में आता है। But you know, it's been long that, you know, you guys have dated and now you guys are married, you guys are happily together. You know, it's a blessing, you know, in today's time and age, and God bless you many more years of happiness. But you know, tell me something. You know, I'm pretty sure the viewers would also want to know. You know, after so many years when you have been together, initial memories when you guys had just started to date, एकदम that honeymoon period जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना colloquially, where everything is fine, everything is smooth, you just don't realize any flaw about your partner at all. तो उस time पे when you guys were actually going out and seeing each other, so what was the most fascinating thing about that dating phase? Individual, I would want to know. I'm pretty sure it's going to differ for both of you. So what is the most fascinating thing about that phase for you, Rubina, and also for you? Decide, please, who wants to answer that first.
Okay, as you rightly said, you know, honeymoon period, where everything is rosy, where everything is like,
absolutely, कुछ खामियां दिखती ही नहीं.
You are blind to the flaws, and you're blind to the fact that the other person is a human being at last, you know. So if I look back and if I see that what really enticed me was spontaneity. You know, because I'm very organized. I like things in schedule. So when that spontaneity came, it just came as a you know a gush of fresh air. तो उसमें आपको लगता है कि अरे वाह, you know, that's something different, that's something new, and in that phase, you just feel that wow, I can be like, you know, I can be free where, you know, if I want to just hop out, if I want to just do something instantaneously, I don't have to schedule it, I don't have to manage it. So I think that's what is you say ना कि आप में जो चीजें जो आप खुद करने की हिम्मत नहीं रखते हैं या खुद एक्नॉलेज करने की हिम्मत नहीं रखते हैं, वो आप अपने पार्टनर में ज्यादा देखते हैं. You know, that's what you attract about the other person. Because मुझे spontaneity ये लगता था, no, you know, it has to go through A B C D E F G H. So वैसे you know एक criteria होना चाहिए. But then that spontaneity added so much of you know, how do you say, that burden of always being organized, always looking into things very, you know, to a level of perfection. Of course, perfection तो आती नहीं है. तो वो burden को हल्का करने के लिए spontaneity is like something that you can, you know, try it out with. So that's
and it's important, you know. I mean, it's about balancing each other, right? I mean, you know, opposites attract, एक कहावत ही है. So if you are somebody who is seeking perfection in everything, here comes Abhinav, who is telling you, "Okay, अरे यार, relax, छोड़ो, कुछ नहीं होगा, जाने दो." So I think that's very important to maintain the spice and balance of life. Coming to you, Abhinav, what is that one thing that was so fascinating for you during that honeymoon dating phase?
I think she's already said it. I was a guy who used to live like कि आज दोपहर को अगर किसी ने बोला कि यार चल outdoors चलना है, तो विदाउट थिंकिंग मैं अपनी गाड़ी उठाऊंगा, उसमें सामान डालूंगा, टेंट डालेंगे, कुकिंग का सामान डालेंगे, एंड वील गो आउटडोर्स. सो माय लाइफ वाज ऑलवेज लाइक दैट, यू नो, लाइक यू जस्ट फ्लोटिंग इन द एयर समवेयर, जहां पे लगा कि यार एडवेंचर हो सकता है वहां पे चल लिए. तो बट आफ्टर शी केम इनटू माय लाइफ, इट हैज बिकम मोर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. आई हैव टू थिंक 10 times before, you know, making a spontaneous plan. So so I like the organizational
It's very sweet because you were scared about spontaneousness, and I think that has happened. Whereas you were scared about perfection, and you thought that नहीं यार मेरी जिंदगी में organized एक pattern
Correct.
नहीं है. I think she has
Correct.
brought that. So couples
Correct.
complete each other in this way, right? So I think it's a
Absolutely.
beautiful way in which you both complete
Absolutely.
each other. But but it's not just about couples complementing each other as an individual. And when you're staying together, when you're married, I mean, it's a lot more than love that is needed, right? I mean, and
Correct.
I mean, starting from understanding to mutual respect, there comes a lot of factors in that. And with all those factors coming into play, we are in some way or the other, we are also inspired by a few things, inspired about a few things by our partner. So my next question to both of you is that I'm pretty sure there are multiple things, but then if there's that one thing that you would individually like to point out कि नहीं मुझे मेरे partner से ये inspiration मिला, which I have started, inculcating in my own life. So what would that be? Please start again,
Well,
Rubina, I
I'll
think.
answer this first. ये पहले इसका जवाब
Yeah,
मैं दूंगा.
let's get some difference going in.
Again, मैं बहुत impulsive था पहले, जो कि मैंने आपको बताया ही है कि शाम को प्लान बनता है तो हम निकल जाते थे. तो मैं हमेशा लाइफ में बड़ा impulsively जिया हूँ. मैंने कभी ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाया कि यार ऐसा करूँ वैसा करूँ. Impulsively I make decisions. And staying with her, I've realized that you cannot be impulsive with everything in life. हाँ, कुछ चीजें हैं जो impulsivity जिसमें रखो तो it helps you, but there are few things if you get too impulsive in them, things don't go well. So I have been inspired not to be too impulsive. So I'm working on it.
That's great.
And yeah. So I've become much
and
more
what
calm.
about
Okay, for me, I have learned to become fearless. I, as a personality, two empathetic people just cannot say no. Just they just succumb to any of कि अगर सामने वाले को जरूरत है, oh I'm going to do it. सामने वाला अगर दबा रहा है, अरे यार I will मुझे I can't hurt the other person. How much ever the other person is hurting you, and
correct.
The idea of saying no used to be मतलब कैसे ना बोलूं. Or
right.
that just plays with you so much so that you get tormented. So the idea of becoming fearless, that no matter what, if you believe in something, you have to stand up for it.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
Some decisions need fearlessness. Some decisions they need being you. गलतियां सब करते हैं, बाद में realize हो कि वो गलती थी, जो भी था, but at the moment, if you become fearless, it just helps you stay strong. It helps you not let yourself down by self-doubt or I don't know whether I did it right or wrong, because there's a lot of things that go in your head and that eventually they manifest in your life. And the moment you become fearless, the moment you become कि यार जो भी है, this is what I'm gonna do, and that's what my response, and I take the responsibility. Fearlessness का मतलब ये नहीं बाहर जाकर मतलब be fearless and then say I'm there. So I think with a sense of responsibility, and that's what I've just picked, कि under any circumstance, if I think that this is what is right under my understanding of it, I'm going to be fearless to put it forth.
And I think it's a very important attribute to have, because I mean, you need to be fearless in certain situations, because otherwise क्या होता है ना, दुनिया dominate करके निकल जाता है. So I think it's a very important point that you mentioned, and it's a very important learning as well, not just for you from him, but I think for everyone, one should pick up that particular point. Taking you guys behind a little behind. I don't know whether you remember this or not, but obviously you should, I believe. But do you remember the first venue where you both had gone for a date, and what was the date like? Do you remember everything about that phase? I'm pretty sure it's years back, but it's a special memory, so you must be remembering.
I remember, so I would want him to answer that.
Yeah, so he's already got his thinking shoes on. He's thinking as super dekh ke. So I am wondering, what is he missing out?
Venue? First venue कौन सा?
Do you remember the first date?
Yeah, but venue नहीं पता मुझे.
So date याद होगी तो venue भी पता ही होगा ना.
यार ऐसे सवाल मत
Sorry if I
यार,
put
इतना
you in a
दिमाग
spot of
मत
bother,
खा।
ना ये मेरा दोस्त नहीं है इसमें.
Okay, so I'll answer that. I'll not
Yeah,
take much
please.
time. So finally, after telephonic conversations, exchange of emails, and blah blah blah, finally we
Yeah.
meet at Lokhandwala Circle, and
Yeah. Emails, by the way. Did I hear emails?
yeah,
Did I hear
I mean,
emails?
okay, the
No, no,
story
no.
goes back. He messaged me on
Yeah.
Instagram. On Instagram, I gave him my email ID. On email ID, he shared his number, and finally on numbers we exchanged.
Oh,
And from text
wow.
message, we called each other. So that's
Yeah.
the sequence of it.
So that's an extra medium involved in between. Huh?
So
Email wala.
everything is on paper, huh?
Loving it, loving it. Please continue, Rubina.
So, Lokhandwala Circle, I finished my shoot. I wrapped up early. I did
Yeah.
not wrap up early. I took a half day because
Yeah.
a week prior we had decided on Friday we are going to meet at that time. I told my
Yeah.
scheduler that I have some work after a week or so I'm going to just be available till lunchtime.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I reached Lokhandwala Circle and I'm waiting. And I'm just thinking, what should I say? How to begin the conversation? Blah, 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 this and that. I'm getting out of the car, looking around, then sitting back again. Then I'm thinking, pondering. And then finally I see someone walking in cargos and a tight, bodyfit t-shirt,
Yeah.
and huge shoes, huge camel,
Yeah.
how do you say?
Yeah.
Desert
camo.
camos, yeah.
Yeah. She remembers every bit of it, even your look that day.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
That's much how I pay attention, and that's.
I remember her car too very well. इंसानों के बैठने की जगह नहीं थी, सब जगह वो पिल्लो भालू भूलू सब रखे हुए थे.
And when I'm hearing about Lokhandwala Circle, I'm thinking यार मैं खुद यहाँ पे रहता हूँ तो इतने नजदीक आप लोग मिले थे उस टाइम पे. I'm thinking in that zone. सब कोई अलग-अलग कुछ सोच रहा है.
Yeah. See, you think what you want to suit yourself, right? What
Absolutely.
is currently getting into your mind.
Yeah.
So I get down and
Yeah.
I just see him walking with a bottle of I don't know what bottle was that. Let's leave it like that. And then I
Yeah.
say, then he's like, okay, what have you decided? I said,
Yeah.
no, because I'm not that, how do you say? I'm not that flamboyant. I'm not that
Okay. Yeah.
extrovert. Figuring out.
You like to keep things simple and like that.
Sorry.
You like to keep things very simplistic.
Yeah, simplistic and as much can be taken care of types.
Yeah.
So he said, okay, there is a nice cafe around the corner, Leaping Window. वहाँ salads अच्छे मिलते हैं if you like salad and everything, and we can just go there. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
fine. I ask him, come sit in the car.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So I tell my driver,
Yeah.
चलिए उधर चलिए.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
meanwhile, I'm still understanding that why is he carrying this bottle with him. So he's kind of fidgeting with it, and then he says, well,
Yeah.
this is a spray with a strong hold of 5. It will keep our bond strong. So it was a hair spray जिसकी strength 5 होती है. तो ये कहीं स्प्रे की बोतल खरीद के आए होंगे और वहां से मुझे डायरेक्टली मिलने आए होंगे. So that was
I thought it was a gift, but I bought it for myself.
Because I kept thinking, पहली डेट
Yeah.
है,
Oh my God.
पता नहीं वाइन बॉटल है, परफ्यूम बॉटल है, क्या मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. मतलब you don't look into आप किसी से सब
Exactly.
जा रहे हो.
जो ऊपर से आप देखते हो बस थोड़ा बहुत.
So that was it, and we went to this cafe, small nice cafe, Leaping Window.
Yeah.
I think it's somewhere near Lokhandwala
It's in,
Circle.
no, it's in,
Samarkand or something.
it's towards that Warsaw.
Yeah, he used to live near.
ठीक है वर्सोवा हाँ. हाँ वो लेके गए थे ना उनको बराबर याद है इसलिए.
हाँ, see?
So I think it's very sweet, and the fact that you thought you bought it for yourself, but then she thought it was a gift. I think that part was the sweetest. But it's these little things that you take forward in life, and you think, and when you look back at them, I mean, these are the things that make the memories, right? If it had it been a very normal kind of a meeting or date, would you have been even having this smile right now when you're talking about it? So I think it's very important that you have these kind of days. And last question, I can't simply know enough of you guys, but एक last चीज मैं जरूर पूछना चाहूंगा आप दोनों से, आप दोनों के बारे में ही है कि dating is one thing, and taking the relationship to the next level, it's a different thing altogether. I mean, you might have the confidence to date somebody, but you might not be having the confidence to marry or propose that person for marriage, because both are totally different ball games altogether. So मुझे ये जानना है कि सबसे पहले हिम्मत किसने जुटाया था ये इसको नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे ले जाने के लिए, and who was the one who proposed, and how did he or she propose? That is one thing that I would love to know. I mean, if you guys are comfortable in letting me know about it.
Of course.
बोलो
You have to answer it.
मैं क्यों आंसर करूँगा? पहले हर चीज का जवाब ये देती है ना.
Yeah.
Okay, so from dating a relationship to acknowledging that I am falling in love with the gentleman, I was the first one to express my feeling that I'm falling in love with you. To which I simply got a thank you.
देखो ऑडियंस, देखो आप लोग बोलते हो कि लड़कियां प्रपोज नहीं करती, किसने कहा है ऐसा? अगर हिम्मत है तो सब कोई कर सकते हैं. तो इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट. द मिथ दैट गर्ल्स डोंट.
I was waiting for. ये जमाना आजकल का इक्वालिटी का है ना. Equality.
Yeah, of course.
What's wrong with it?
Yeah, I mean, it's nonsense when they say that boys should always take the first move. Anybody who feels the experience, anybody who's having the emotions going in, they can express. Be it a boy or a girl. And I think you have set the standard long back. So I think people should learn.
Yeah, I mean, see, it is very, very important to be honest with your feelings and then have the courage to express them, because not everyone has courage.
Can express that.
And I am a person who believes that it's futile wasting time. Playing games, understanding he should be, he should come around or he should do that. Why waste time? You never know whether you'll be able to wake up next morning. So,
correct.
Like that.
Kal kisne dekha hai, right? It's very simple.
And if I strongly feel about it, I'm going to say it. I said, as I mentioned, I got an answer like a thank you, and to which
You said thank you?
Yeah, thank you.
Are you serious?
Yeah, very serious.
Oh my God.
And then after 9 months, after 9 months of ups and downs, understanding, commitment, no commitment, blah, blah, blah. Eventually, after 9 months, I get an answer which was me too.
Somebody's writing ये अपनी story already सुना दी आपने.
Oh God.
Fans definitely know it. And then taking the relationship taking the relationship for more understanding to live in. I think that we mutually decided, and from live-in to a marriage, that came from this side.
I think it's wonderful, and everything you have answered, on your own, and I mean, you have mostly taken the initiative to answer Rubina, and he has played the silent game out there. But I think he has done the job. जब उनको करना था तब उन्होंने किया. So I think right, you agree with me, right?
Absolutely.
So it's really, really special, and बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला. Last cheese, I will not take too much of your time. Just one last, and it's not about you guys, but it's about an advice that I would want you guys, because I feel you people are perfect when it comes to giving out that advice. In today's time, we see relationships falling apart very easily compared to पहले के ज़माने में, and you see marriages breaking a lot more often. So I don't really know what is the reason to that. I mean, it can be personal differences or whatever, and marriages can break, relationships can break. It's totally normal. But I think the pattern has gone a lot ahead of what it used to be earlier, and somehow or the other, the mutual patience towards each other, that has gone down. So as a successful couple, and touch wood, I hope that you guys continue to be the way you are. But as a successful couple who have battled all the odds and come out together, relationship bolo ya fir live in stage bolo, now to eventually getting married and being together, what would be your advice to couples out there who feel very impatient when it comes to the relationship? How do you think they should take that forward so that the longevity of the relationship goes a lot higher compared to what it is right now?
See, I think much of it also is in our childhood psychology, the way we have been brought up. I have seen kids who
Yeah.
unfortunately had the family atmosphere at home wasn't good.
Yeah.
They have a lot of doubt later in their life when it comes to
Yeah.
relationships. I
Yeah.
had a couple of friends who had unfortunate, families where
Yeah.
things were not right. But
Yeah.
apart from that, I think the single word is sacrifice. With money, with education, with knowledge, everything comes. Freedom comes.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
sacrifice doesn't come with any of these. Sacrifice
Correct.
is a a personal quality a person possesses. Either it's
Yeah.
ingrained from childhood, like I told you about
Absolutely.
my mother. She used to be on the
Yeah.
toes all the time.
Yeah.
So that part of sacrifice I've learned from my parents.
Yeah.
But there are few unfortunate people who went through like some troubled childhood.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
can't, but still, once they grow up, they can learn, and they can, if they can get inspired by someone who has made a good sacrifice. So that's the word, sacrifice. Even if you look today now during this lockdown, there are a lot of
Yeah.
people who are going out there, putting their lives at risk and helping the other people.
Absolutely.
If you see what
Absolutely.
exactly that, apart from, people who are just there for the picture or for the video of
Yeah.
it,
Yeah.
apart from that, it's all sacrifice. It's even the police is working like overtime. All
Yeah.
the cops on the street are working 16, 17 hours, 18 hours a day.
Yeah.
And this is all sacrifice. So relationships survive on sacrifice, and some are fortunate to have someone who can sacrifice, some are not. But that's the word, I think, according to me.
I think it's wonderful. And Rubina, would you want to add anything to that?
Okay, so it's gonna be a little lengthy, so just bear with me.
Yeah, please.
Because I think we cannot preach, or we cannot tell people what love is, because the definition of love for everybody, or every couple, or every marriage is different.
Yeah.
And love is an ongoing process. Love is discovering different layers, as we mentioned jab hum starting of our life that we did. Love is making effort every single day. And the foundation of a healthy relationship, let me mark it, that relationships sabke hote hain, but what is the one silver lining that ensures longevity of the relationship is healthy relationship. Healthy relationship is love, mutual respect, and trust. They have to be, this is the sequence of the pyramid.
Yeah.
Mutual respect is important. Trust is very, very important, because love is about co-creating every single day. It is not about कि यार प्यार हो गया, शादी होगी, अब तो चलो जैसे जिंदगी कटनी है कटनी है.
Correct.
You have to make effort every single day. Love is the totality of living and learning to live with the other human being. It encompasses everything, and it does not have any opposite. मतलब love का opposite hate नहीं होता है. Love devoid of love is hate. So love has the quality of everything, where you accept the difference, where you respect the difference of opinion, where you respect the fact that your partner is from a different background, from a different conditioning. You have patience to listen to each other. You have an open communication, which is one of the most important pillars of a relationship. It takes two to communicate. Not a single person, वो होता है ना कि एक की जिम्मेदारी होती है कम्युनिकेट करने की, एक की जिम्मेदारी होती है to come and say किसी की भी गलती है, sorry बोल दो. You can't burden that person with just one singular thing कि यार because it is you have to do it. Communication takes two people to communicate, and for a healthy relationship you have to be open for communication, because as human beings, what is the हम में ऐसा क्या स्पेशल है जो हम इतने इवॉल्व हो गए than the animal kingdom. We belong to animal kingdom only, but what was that that we evolved?
We learned to speak.
Exactly.
The Pink Floyd song.
So it is the emotion. Emotion is translated through your communication, and that's what we are strong at. So I cannot say कि लव क्या है, क्योंकि वो आप खुद फिगर आउट करोगे अपनी लाइफ में, अपनी जिंदगी में. आई कैन जस्ट हेल्प यू सी व्हाट लव इज नॉट. सो लव इज नॉट looking down upon each other. Love is not blaming each other. Love is not turning back on each other. Love is not bringing insecurity in the relationship. Love is not bashing each other. Love is not accusing each other. Love is not abusing to an extent that you feel, because abuse is necessarily not physical abuse, mental and emotional abuse. Or love is not just feeling entitled. This is how it is. This is how I'm going to be. Now you've gotten into it, so live with it. Take it or leave it kind of a scenario. You have to deeply look within that. It takes two to tango. And not only one person can be burdened with the responsibility of it. You have to be open. You have to be encompassing enough to understand that it is going to take effort every single day. That effort needs communication. Communication is backed up with respect. How much ever mad you are, how much ever आजकल के circumstances में तो ऐसे things just ignite like this. So practicing patience, and that only comes when you are when you are secured deep down within your own being. होता है आपको खुद को पता है कि यार I have to make it work because I promised, or maybe I took the vow of taking the relationship to the other pole. But it has to come from both the sides. Only then relationships thrive. It's a long journey. I mean, it's a long journey, and you fall in love with the same person in different times, because people change, personalities change, and change is only constant. तो अगर आपको ऐसा लगे कि यार वो तो चेंज हो रहा है, उसने I mean oh you used to do this for me, now you don't do this for me. Oh you were like that, oh now you are not like that. We have to understand everybody change, and that change has to be mutually accepted. And जो कमी आपको लग रहा है, you will take 2 steps. जो कमी मुझे लग रही है कि नहीं हो सकता, you have to take 2 steps. So it's a fine balance of understanding, sacrificing, as he said. We have to sacrifice our ego. We have to sacrifice our self-centeredness. We have to sacrifice our insecurities. We have to sacrifice our thinking कि यार a sense of entitlement, to be very simple कि I'm entitled for certain things and this is how I'm going to be. अब you figure out your way. That's not how a relationship would thrive.
Well, all said and done, engineering mein we used to read this particular communication which was called simplex and duplex. So simplex mein only one person can talk at a time. Communication cannot come from the other side.
Correct.
So in the duplex it used to be both ways. So a good relationship is one jisme shaadi ke baad it's simplex. Just keep listening. Don't talk too much. Just say thank you.
I was hearing about love and emotions and all that, and suddenly you sent me back to my computer classes with all this simplex. But then it's really funny, and I think the biggest reason why you guys have been together and strong is because of the mutual admiration and respect that you have for each other. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me out here on IWM Buzz. It's a pleasure, and I wish you both many years of togetherness going forward. And thank you so much for giving me a lot of your valuable time. I think we spoke for about 45 minutes. I hope I could make it, interesting and entertaining for you guys. And inshallah, hopefully, once the lockdown opens, we can get to meet each other, soon in person.
Sure, definitely.
And take care, stay safe, and everything should be all hunky dory and positive.
Thank you. You have really been a good host, huh? And
a good listener.
Yes, and a good listener. And I think
you so much.
You're going to go a long way, because communication also involves great listening. So if you're a great listener, you can become a great media person, and that's what our media currently requires. Young, youthful generation like you who has an understanding of how things can go. And I'm assuming you did your homework, which is commendable. So good luck to you as well. It was a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
And you've given us an opportunity to open a lot of things about ourselves, or individual selves, or about the circumstances and relationships.
And it was a challenge for me because I'll be very honest with you. I mean, I had prepared. Now I think I have that space where I can tell you guys. I had prepared a small segment for you guys, but I think somewhere due to some data glitch, I mean, I lost that. So when I went live and then I realized I don't have it, so I got to frame everything on my own. So but I had to manage it up, and thank you so much, because of your cooperation I could do that. And thank you so much for all the kind words that you have said. Hopefully that helps me to groom and be a better person. Thank you so much.
Thanks, man.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Bye. Bye. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. I noticed many people joined our live session today, and it was great seeing everybody here on our. Acha, Mama bhi hai. My superstars. Very good. Hina bhi hai. Shalu. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I read somewhere. Sitanshu, our very talented editor, was also here.
Sitanshu, what are you doing, man? You're not editing.
Rajat, अरे वाह.
अरे रजत पढ़ाई कर ले यार, पढ़ाई करने वाले बच्चों.
Hi Hina, hi. So thank you so much. I mean, guys, we came after along for this live session, and I hope everybody's doing good. Doing good in the sense they are building their inner selves, working on their mental health, because आज के टाइम में जितना हमें फिजिकली वायरस से बचना है, उतना ही स्ट्रेस लेवल से भी बचना है. सो प्लीज अपना आप ख्याल रखें, और reach out to as many friends you can, as many siblings, cousins, whosoever you can, to ensure that everybody is keeping safe when it comes to their mental health and emotional health, and which is very important, because in times like this where you are closed in a very environment.
कमल जी भी इधर हैं.
अरे वाह.
काम धंधा नहीं है?
So yes, please take good care of yourself, and I hope this session may have somewhere maybe gotten some answers to your current situations, or may have just helped you to lighten the previous 45-47 minutes of your engagement. So thank you once again. We will be soon live with Colors, Tuesday 6 p.m. and it's going to be another fun-filled live session. Let's just connect and be there for each other. I think thanks to social media, internet, अगर इंटरनेट नहीं होता तो हम शायद सही में बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को सिचुएशन में बांध चुके होते हैं. So thank you so much. It was wonderful speaking to you all, connecting to you all. Yeah. चलो, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.